Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
'61. JavaScript program to display date and time. Certainly. Here's a JavaScript program to display the current date and time. JavaScript. Function display date time. Let current date equals new date. Let date time string equals current date to locale string. Return date time string. Let current date time equals display date time. Console.log. Current date and time plus current date time. In this program, we define a function "display date time" that retrieves the current date and time. Inside the function, we create a new "date" object, current date which represents the current date and time. We use the to locale string method on the current date object to convert it to a string representation in the user's local date and time format. We assign the result to the variable date time string . We call the display date time function and store the current date and time string in the variable current date time . We use console.log to display the current date and time. When you run this code, it will retrieve the current date and time using the provided function and print it in the console. The output will vary depending on your local date and time settings. For example, current date and time, May 16, 2023, 2 hours 30 minutes and 45 seconds p.m. The output displays the current date and time in the format specified by your system's locale. The end.